User Behavior Detection analyzes how your customers interact with your site during checkout and learns their typical behavioral patterns. It automatically learns user behavior patterns over 90 days to spot suspicious activity and blocks unauthorized access. First, log into your FraudLabs Pro Merchant dashboard. Let's go to Settings, Agent JavaScript. Before enabling the user behavior detection, we need to install and enable Agent JavaScript v2. Copy this code and paste it into the pages you want to enable the updated Agent JavaScript detection. Enter up to 5 landing pages where you want to enable the advanced tracking. Click on Save Changes. Now, let's enable User Behavior Anomaly Detection. Go to Settings, General. Scroll to the Smart Detection section. Enable the option for User Behavior Anomaly Detection. Then, choose how you want to be notified, either by email or Slack. If you choose Slack, please make sure Slack notifications are enabled in the Slack notifications section above. Once done, click on Save Changes. It will run in the background and send you the notification when there is any anomalous user activity detected in their recent transactions. If there is any anomalous user activity detected, you can view the user behavior report by navigating to Report User Behavior. Click on View More to check the details of each notification. This is the notification report about date, total anomaly transaction detected, transaction ID, and affected customers. Click View Transactions for deeper insights into each suspicious activity. With User Behavior Anomaly Detection, you can strengthen your store's security and give your customers a safer, more trustworthy shopping experience. Subscribe to the FraudLabs Pro Large Plan or above today to unlock this powerful feature.